Yeah, since Formnext 2018, we saw major change in the desire and the request from our customers. We think that the industry is clearly making steps into the direction of serial manufacturing of plastic parts. Our finishing options are exactly one point that is required from our customers in order to deliver end-use part quality finishes to their customers. With the new VaporFuse technology, we can now offer options to the customer. On the one hand, the well-known and established polyshot surfacing, which creates matte glossy surfaces like eyewear designers like very much. With the PowerFuse now we have the option to provide injection molding-like surfaces with sealed surfaces, injection molding-like look, and some mechanical properties like you can wipe the parts and they are pressure and water dense. Especially service providers now can offer different options to their customers based on the customer needs. So this creates the enablement of new applications. The good news for the additive industry and for all customers out there who start maybe with additive, with the VaporFuse technology, the process behind the PowerFuse system, that now we can offer finishing options for almost all plastics and for all technologies that are used in the additive industry, especially such as FDM.